Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about DOGELON price prediction and DOGELON news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGELON in 2022. DOGELON is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. DOGELON plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that DOGELON will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, DOGELON has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, ELON has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about DOGELON. Japan debunks the latest in the gamut of cryptocurrency scams. Impersonation scams in the cryptocurrency industry abound, with hundreds of fake Elon Musks and Michael Saylors offering huge returns on social media to entrap the uninitiated. While in the past, many governments and the personalities themselves have issued warnings against the same, scamsters in the crypto space have shown no intention of withholding their creativity. This was recently highlighted by the Japan Exchange Group, JPX, which issued a warning about a new type of impersonation scam now doing the rounds. The company, which owns it and other meme coins, have also seen huge growth, namely Shiba Inu, DOGELON and Floki Inu. Reflections on meme token Dogecoin has been a success, but the huge volatility influenced by celebrities means high risk. Of course, meme tokens are easy to launch, not expensive to maintain, and have a large degree of community ownership. But that doesn't mean you can go all in on meme tokens. In contrast, meme tokens are not easily recognized and supported by celebrities with similar feelings. Meme tokens have very few usage scenarios, which is very different from the chain or DeFi protocol token. In addition, some meme tokens do not support smart contracts, and there are no ecosystem applications for pure meme tokens. So, the success of Dogecoin is just an example of probability. You can try meme tokens as a hobby, but not for investment. At least, it's not a good choice to all in. To who we are at OnlyFans, and which focused on getting aid and support to the Ukrainian people. Ukraine DAO has been a leading crypto contributor to Ukraine's government in recent weeks, which has now received over $50 million in crypto donations since tweeting out its Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, addresses in February. The DAO was formed by Russian art collective Pussy Riot and non-fungible token, NFT, Studio Trippy Labs, with its largest single donation coming from a $6.5 million crowdfunded NFT sale on March 2nd, to which OnlyFans' 500 ETH donation contributed. At the point that OnlyFans made the 500 ETH donation, the DAO was stalled at about has raised $1.8 million in plans to launch a DAO this week, even as team members live with sirens, explosions and artillery barrage following the Russian invasion. After Russia invaded Ukraine, Andriy Veliky would look out his window at night and count the lights in the windows of nearby buildings. Around 90% of them stayed black. The cryptocurrency entrepreneur's apartment building faced Kyiv's Maidan Square. Normally full of people, it's empty in Mars. Well, this is huge news to his followers. This is not the first time Musk is throwing such hints. On several occasions, he has shared memes depicting his support for various cryptocurrencies, at one time even coming under fire from individuals who claim that he is manipulating the market. Last month, Tesla started accepting Doge payments for its merchandise, a month after Musk hinted on the plan. That said, although Musk is yet to shed more light on his tweet, his deep support for Dogecoin suggests that a decision to have Starlink and SpaceX start accepting the K9 coin might not be that tough after all. In the meantime, Dogecoin continues to trade in the 14 cents range after losing 80% of its value. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell, and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. Is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is DOGELON ELON, a good investment? How much will DOGELON cost in 2025, or how much will DOGELON cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, DOGELON ELON, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.000001005 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.000000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.000000132, with an expected price of $0.000000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. ELON is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.0000221. ELON is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.000000192, a low price of $0.000000186, and an expected price of $0.000000221. Course forecast 2025. ELON will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. dogelonmars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. ELON rate prediction 2027 dogelonmars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, ELON is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of dogelonmars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ELON will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ELON changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. dogelonmars course prediction 2028 The current price range of dogelonmars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ELON could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. ELON rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of